What's up guys? For today's video I'm gonna show you a really cool trick with chocolate. Okay, let's start. So to make this trick work correctly, you want to have chocolate like this with 4 pieces here and then 6 pieces over here. I'm gonna start by counting 2 pieces over here and I will mark them with the toothpick, and then 3 pieces over here. And let's mark it with this toothpick, like that. And what we want to do is to cut chocolate like this way, from here to there. So I'm gonna use ruler to mark it. So it looks like this. I'm gonna cut from here to here. And this is actually the hardest part, to cut it correctly and not break any pieces. Then what we want to do is cut chocolate all the way here. So we don't need this piece for now. There you go. We don't need this piece for now. All is left is to cut this way, here. Okay, let's connect all the pieces back. Like this. And we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now watch closely guys, I'm gonna rearrange them like this. This one goes here and that one goes over here. Look at that. So we have an extra piece of chocolate. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is crazy. You guys let me know in the comments what's going on here, why is it happening, why I have an extra piece of chocolate here. Big thumbs up for this trick, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.